Hi guys, so welcome back. This is part 2 to the video of the UAG plasma case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. It's been around a day, so 24 hours since I've had it installed. I've been to work and commuted on a train, so the feedback I'm going to give you is based on a day's worth of usage and a commute and my kind of normal routine. So before I give you comments personally, I'd just like to show you the actual case on the Orchid Grey handset. So this is just as a reminder, this is the ash grey colour, so the ash colour. I say grey because there is a grey tint to it. You can see it's a nice fit, and actually it gives me kind of the confidence to hold the phone a lot better now, so it fits a lot better. You can see the UAG case there. You can see the Samsung emblem coming through. That's the clearance of the thumbprint, the camera, the sensor and the flash. This is the clearance here for the cutouts. The button, the power button here on the right hand side, nice and responsive. You've got here your volume rocker key and you've got your Bixby key. Just to talk about the kind of the clearance. So the clearance lip on the screen side here is kind of a good few millimeters on the top and the bottom only. The sides are obviously clear, but what that means is when you put your phone down like this, the screen is no longer touching the surface. Equally, you've got a good lip here on the camera, so when you turn it this way, it's clear from the surface as well. So it's been on for 24 hours. Like I said, you know, there's a good fit, there's no distortion, so these corners are nice and tight. You've got kind of tight corner here, or there is a bit more play because there's a cutout. So overall, good fit, I'm impressed. So now for some personal feedback, which I wanted to kind of talk about. So you can see the phone's picking up some dust, so let's start there. So the top corners here, I mean, let's see if we can zoom in and show you. There's a lot of dust which is gathering here, and over the course of the day I found myself kind of pulling this edge back a bit to keep it clean. So I wonder how this will get on over the next few days. I suspect it could be a bit of a dust attractor, so this is not so good, so probably a bit of a concern here. The same thing on the bottom here, so you can see that dirt accumulating there quite easily. So this is a bit disappointing, and obviously, you know, I still want to add a kind of glass cover to this, so I wonder whether that'll add to this problem or not. So that's one of the only negatives. The only other kind of negative I wanted to talk about was the holding position of the phone. So naturally I kind of started to hold my phone like this, and you can see my little finger here rests on the bottom of the phone like this. So what I found is exactly where it's resting here, around this area of my finger, because of this kind of edge of the actual case, I found it to be kind of uncomfortable holding it. So I'm now having to kind of adjust my holding position to a different position like this, which for me feels a little bit unnatural. For me, the natural hold of the phone, given its length, is probably like this, but I think the actual case makes it a little bit uncomfortable. But that's just me personally, but I think these are the kind of things I think this video is useful for. Right, so I think that's it, guys. Any other questions, just post a question on the channel or on the video and I'll get back to you. So again, summary, UAG case, very good fit, 24 hours, overall impressed. I'd probably give it at the moment a 7 to 8 out of 10, and I'm giving it a deduction of 3 out of 10 because of the dust attraction and obviously holding it here, that slight discomfort. Any questions, give me a shout. Thanks for watching.